Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Charge the watch to 50% or more and keep the phone within a few feet. Open phone settings and enable Bluetooth plus location. This lets Discovery work reliably. Now, install and open the Urban Companion app on your phone. The app guides pairing and pushes firmware. Once the app is open, follow its initial prompts to create or sign into your account and grant the requested permissions so the watch can sync notifications and health data. Once done, start pairing. In the Urban app, tap Pair New Device or scan QR. The app will search. Put the watch into pairing mode by choosing Settings, Connectivity, Pairing. Some models show a QR or 6-digit code. When the app detects the watch, make sure the codes on phone and watch match. Confirm on both devices. This step establishes a secure connection and enables services. If firmware prompt appears, allow Update Now. Updates often fix compatibility and improve battery life. Finish by granting the Urban app notification and background permissions so calls and messages arrive on your watch. Allow contact access for caller ID. Let the initial sync run fully. This uploads watch settings and health data. Verify firmware is current and enable auto updates to avoid future issues. If pairing fails, restart the watch and phone, toggle Bluetooth off/on, and retry pairing. This clears transient Bluetooth errors. If problems persist, force close the app and reinstall it before contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.